Plasma arc consists of superheated electrified air, which will quickly and violently vaporize almost anything in its path. Stop pumping the box, please.
Woo! Finally did it. Oh. Cables and stuff.
Things as men we won't need. The instructions and the helmet.
The destruction manual.
Things we'll probably need. Those things that threw in you.
Ta-da! Got ourselves a plasma cutter.
You put it on the floor? You gonna set it on the floor?
Fuck no! Well, the option between setting somebody's newborn baby on the floor and this thing on the floor.
This thing's way cooler than a newborn baby.
Yeah. Up until I can physically cut metal with a newborn baby. Sweet.
Look at the distance on this thing.
Holy shit. We got some fucking lengths.
Apparently there are some electrical connections you have to make.
That would make sense. I could almost mount this thing in like the ceiling of the center of the shop.
Yeah, I know, that'd be bad.
And just...
Hey, remember, no matter what, never connect black to red.
Anyway.
Do as I say, not as I just did.
And then the ground has the red.
The ground is red because China. Quality-wise, though, it's not too shitty.
Now, is that the same length?
Of course not, because China. We live in a society where you can basically buy a lightsaber.
All but a lightsaber?
I like that about this country. Oh, it already has consumables in it.
Really? And it comes with...
And it came with spares.
Spares? Sweet.
Winning.
So, Eastwood scratch and dent. What did I pay for this thing? $350 with tax?
Something like that.
For the 40 amp model. Maybe like 600 or so.
What exactly is that for?
I'm assuming it's to check the flow on the nozzle.
Evidently, we did need the instructions.
Trying to figure out what it is.
Yes. It genuinely does not tell you.
Oh shit, it comes with a cord too if your name's Steve Condor and you don't believe in 220 routing because it's more expensive. Take the old 220 hole and you stick it right in the 110 hole. Scary, but cool.
It's not that cool. You should do wiring properly.
Not run 220 in the 110 cord.
Should do wiring properly.
Holy fuck.
But it definitely doesn't tell you what this little peace pipe unit's for, so.
We're gonna use it to smoke our meth.
We're not going to use it to smoke meth. Other cool stuff. Switchblade belt sander.
Mildly dangerous, but 100% badass.
The only dangerous thing about it is I will eventually belt sander my own hand, but it seems like it's going to be cool. It has a locking screw
Oh, so you don't saw your hand off?
that prevents its switchbladification, making it decidedly less cool, but much safer. Yeah, this is scrap if I've ever seen any.
Like they say, a little dope is better than no dope.
Indeed.
Left-handed Mexican speed wrench. Oh no. allowed to say that on?
I think you can. I don't think I can.
Do some air.
Yeah, probably turn it on to the phone oil. Everybody, look at how much Vaseline Kyle has in here. That is a shitload of Vaseline.
Huh? So Vaseline's good O-ring lube, and
I know.
so we know it was never used for any action because it's coming from Ryan.
Fair enough.
And
Oh my god! Oh my god! Apparently plasma cutters now have high frequency start. Should we move these bullets? Are bullets flammable? Does anybody know? They look flammable.
for safety, put him on the Volkswagen.
Move the bullet. There we go.
That's me smart.
Did you just cut a penis out of an exhaust pipe? Next on Fred's Garage, how to deburr a penis. That's a good penis.
Yeah.
I mean, shut up.
Maybe this will be the 50 subscriber giveaway. I don't know.
We'll give you the penis. Don't
If you want a
phrase
penis,
that different. Phrase that.
let me know in the comment section if you want the dick.
In the event you're Steve. Anyway. That's mean. We shouldn't say
I'll just set that over there. I'll paint cowbell on it or some shit.
This thing's badass. This thing's way better than my plasma.
I like that.
I'm kind of jealous.
Now let's do something that I care about.
Definitely not a stolen street sign.
It's not stolen. Somebody hit it. DUI.
It's definitely
And
not
then-
a street sign that Kyle ran over when he was drunk.
Wasn't me.
It's not a. It's definitely not a street sign that somebody who isn't Kyle ran over when they were drunk. This video would be much better if we could move that transmission.
Transmission slag collection system.
Great news, we moved the transmission. Fire!
Safety squints on.
Run your nozzle down first.
Yep.
Here, so you see what your
Gauges.
distance is going to be.
Yeah, a bit there.
Yep. Go for it.
I feel like I'm back in the 21st century.
That is some bullshit.
Some good bullshit.
That is some bullshit. Mine doesn't cut that nice.
Alright, so this is the 40 amp version. 60% duty cycle at 40 amps. That was cut at 34 and ever decreasing pressure. So it doesn't have the air tank filled up all the way. Sweet. I guess to really test it, I have a large rusty steel plate over here.
Ooh. Nothing nobody likes more than a large rusty steel plate. Hot. Now this is almost certainly beyond the capabilities of this machine.
Probably. I'm going to,
Turn the compressor on for a while.
yeah, let the compressor go.
If I can make a suggestion.
Alright, let's see what this thing does on.
Cut, 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 cut.
Rusty 1/4 inch plate. Lightsaber on. Hanging on with a little bit of thread of hope. If I can honestly see anything, I'll tell you how that
need to
is.
get yourself some tinted glasses, but that's a nice end.
Yeah,
That really doesn't.
it's not too bad.
In the way of dressing before you could use it.
I'm happy with that.
I'm very happy with that. Goodbye.
Alright, mini review out. Carl and Blair.
Not Carl.
Not Carl,
I'm
Blair.
not Carl.
Yeah, I'm Carl.
He's Carl.
Peace.